It's time to reveal all the Knorr kitchen secrets. If you know, you Knorr.
Ang cooking show kung saan i-challenge natin ang mga beginner cook sa magluto ng simple, delicious, and exciting dishes gamit ang verbal instructions lamang.
With your host, Abi Marquez, and our special guest, Nana Silayro.
Hello! Sa inyo tanan, my name is Nana Silayro, taga Iloilo. On a scale from 1 to 10, I believe confidence is key. It's 8.9. Yes! Ako po ay isang certified snackerist. Magaling ako mag-mix-mix ng kung anong available para sa akin. We're gonna see later.
I'm super excited for you to try this recipe. Di ba hindi ka marunong magluto?
Sino nagsabi sa'yo?
Di ba hindi ka nagbumibili ng ingredients mo?
Hindi!
It's a cool, easy, quick snack. It only needs 5 ingredients. Creamy mushroom balls. This is my, if you know, you Knorr recipe because it's simple, delicious, and exciting. Bibigyan lang kita ng 1 secret silip.
One chance lang to silip what you're doing.
Wala nang negotiation. Good luck to us! But, let's go!
Hindi naman ako pinansin.
So, for our recipe, kailangan natin ng canned mushrooms. We also need breadcrumbs. Get the Japanese ones kasi they have bigger flakes. So kapag pinrito mo sila, mas malalaki yung crunch that
Tapos
you would
mas
have.
crispy.
Yes. Let's get the rest of the ingredients. Nana, are you ready? I'm ready! Let's go! Tara! Step 1, we're first gonna make our base. So Nana, could you grab our secret ingredient?
Okay.
You got it?
I got it.
Today we're using the Knorr cream of mushroom. I really like this because it's made with real mushrooms. 1 to 2 cups of room temperature water.
Okay.
Use your whisk to dissolve it. Do you cook a lot at home?
I'm not a very good cook, but I believe I can do everything. And I thank you, Abby. Actually, hindi nga siya luto eh. It's actually luto na. Tapos mini-mix-mix ko na lang.
Hindi mo na niluluto.
Hinihit ko, luto pa din yun.
So basically, nagre-reheat ka lang ng ulam. That's what you're telling
Abi,
me.
kung dito ko nilalagay, luto yun.
2 tablespoons of oil into the pot. Grab your sliced canned mushrooms. Be careful because this has a lot of water. Tatalsik to, okay? Sabay tayo. In. Okay ka, Nana? So, ang goal lang natin dito is medyo mag-toast itong canned mushrooms to develop their flavor. And then, I'm gonna go ahead and put cooked rice. So, there are times when you have leftover rice. Ang goal lang natin dito, medyo ma-coat siya with the mushrooms and the oil. The next steps, you need to work really fast. Because once you pour in the soup, you have to mix it very fast. Ready?
No, but I will do it.
Pour it.
Abi, slowly lang, di ba?
Yeah. Ay, hindi. Kahit hindi naman.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud.
If you just want a quick risotto at home, you can eat this like this.
Ang galing, it smells divine.
So, add hot water little by little. Keep on stirring with your spatula.
Okay,
until
until?
ma-reach mo yung malapot na lugaw consistency.
Wait, stop the car.
Ano?
Iniisip ko kasi, Abby, isa lang yung secret silip eh.
Okay.
So yung consistency yung pinaka-important,
Yes.
di ba?
Let's go. Come here. Basically, ganyan. Kasi once this cools down, it will firm up more. Okay? You got it?
Got it, chef.
Tingin mo worth it yun?
Oo naman.
So, season with pepper to taste. You should have a flat metal tray. I-line mo to with cling wrap. Then, transfer mo na yung mixture dito sa iyong tray. Para lang mas mabilis siya lumamig.
Tama ba yan? Huwag kayong ma-deceive sa mga OA-ness ko, ha? I was just born like this. Pero it's really, really easy.
Now, we just need to let this cool down to firm up and so we can handle it with our hands later. Now we're on to step 2, which is shape and coat. And meron dyang block of mozzarella cheese. You wanna make sure it's small enough We need to oil our hands just a bit. 3 tablespoons of your creamy mushroom mix.
Okay.
Flatten it into your palm.
Okay.
Lagyan mo ng cheese, tsaka mo bilugin. Dapat walang exposed mozzarella cheese.
Got it.
Because pwede siyang mag-ooze out kung
Okay.
exposed siya. We'll just pour in enough oil to deep fry these balls later. So, you simply roll the balls into breadcrumbs, and that is ready to fry. Uy! Uy! We can go to step 3, which is deep fry. Try your best to drop them all at the same time para sabay-sabay sila maluto. Don't overcrowd the pan. I like to flip it often para lang mas even yung cook.
Okay lang kayo dyan, mga tol. Kaya nyo na i-flip yung sarili nyo. Anak, si Tita Abby nagpapakita ng mga cousins nyo, ah.
So, we just have to strain this. This is basically ready to devour and enjoy.
Abby, you have to be very honest, ha? When you
Okay.
try it. Ah, kaya ko! Kakayanin ko lahat!
Now it's time to taste our creation.
Yes, so excited.
Nana, kamusta?
Yeah, I was very chaotic on this side. Kahit ang daming nangyayari, I feel like it's gonna taste really good.
Wow!
Ang ganda! Naku! May konting discoloration, and it's
Okay lang
normal.
yan. Okay lang yan.
You are
Masarap yan.
beautiful.
Visually, I feel like you're able to pull it off. Exchange tayo. Then
So I will try yours. Parang sakto lang.
Ooh! Meron,
Oh my
girl.
gosh, I feel like you already mastered the cheese thing.
Let's taste without the dip first. Wow!
Sa'yo pala to, no?
Wow. Girl, ang sarap.
Swear!
Ang
That's
sarap.
mine! That's mine!
Ang
Masarap
sarap.
din!
Pili ko mas masarap pa yung iyo kasi
Stop! Say it on cam.
tostado.
Louder.
Parang mas masarap pa yung kanya kasi tostado.
Parang pwede na mag-asawa? Abi, anong sinasabi mo? Nakakainis to.
It's a simple, delicious, and exciting recipe. To think this is only made with just 5 ingredients.
Tama.
Sobrang masarap. Malinamnam niya. Thanks to our secret ingredient, Knorr cream of mushroom.
Sabi ko, big snackerist ako. So this is perfect talaga. This is really quick and easy to make.
Kung kaya ni Nana, kaya nyo rin. Gawin nyo to sa bahay. Now na.
And if you know, you know.
Tipid sa ingredients pero hindi sa lasa. Yan ang 5-ingredient creamy mushroom balls.